Set A, reading passage 5. Once there was a plumber named Mario. The plumber had a beautiful girlfriend. One day, an ape fell in love with the girlfriend and kidnapped her. The plumber chased the ape to rescue his girlfriend. This simple tale became Donkey Kong, the first video game with a story. It was invented by Shigeru Miyamoto, an artist with Nintendo Inc. Miyamoto loved video games, but he wanted to make them more interesting. He liked fairy tales, so he invented a story similar to a famous fairy tale. The story was an immediate success, and Nintendo followed it with the Mario Brothers. The rest is video game history. Passage 6. If you run into problems on your journey, know your rights as a passenger. Often, the airline company is required to compensate you for delays or damages. For example, the airline provides meals and hotel rooms if a flight is unduly delayed. However, the airline owes you a lot more if it caused the delay by overbooking. This can occur especially during holidays if airlines sell more tickets than there are seats. If all the passengers actually show up, then the flight is overbooked. Airlines usually award upgrades or additional free travel to passengers who volunteer to take a later flight. Set B, reading passage 5. Each of us must do what we can do to grow our economies without endangering our planet, and we must do it together. But the good news is that if we put the right rules and incentives in place, it will unleash the creative power of our best scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs. It will lead to new jobs, new businesses, and entire new industries. And Japan has been at the forefront on this issue. We are looking forward to being an important partner with you as we achieve this critical global goal. Passage 6. Albert Einstein was one of the greatest mathematical physicists of all time. In 1939, he sent a letter to President Roosevelt explaining the possibility of releasing atomic energy in a weapon of unprecedented power. And this information provided the impetus for government atomic research. After the bombing of Hiroshima in 1945 and the terrible destruction which resulted, Dr. Einstein made known his advocacy of world government for the maintenance of peace between nations. This is the theme of his address, somewhat abridged here, which was broadcast on Mrs. Roosevelt's television program, February 12, 1950.